Okay, what's going on, guys? It's Nano back with one more video. I'm clapping because I'm excited. I hope this looks good. I'm using a different setup, so let me know in the comment section below what you think. I hope I'm not crooked. You guys think I'm crooked? Maybe I'm not crooked there? Alright, there we go. I think that's better. Maybe? Anyways, let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. So, today's video, we're going to be doing a quick hands-on with the DJI Osmo Pocket, like about 30 minutes quick. So just kidding, it's gonna, I don't know, it's like 5 minutes or something. Next video is gonna be a likes video, and then the video after that is gonna be a dislikes video, and then it's gonna be my final review. So keep an eye out for those videos. Hit that like button, hit that dislike button if you really hate it. Hopefully you don't. But more importantly, hit that subscribe button. You know where that is, because I appreciate every single one of you. Let's talk about how tiny this thing is. Look at that. It's almost a little too uncomfortable to hold given how small it is. But like every other video I'm sure you've seen already, they talk about how small this thing is, and this thing is small. Look at that. So yeah, this thing is small, but this thing does have some weight to it, which I love. And early on using this thing, I actually feel like it's not going to slip out of my hand. The only time I have issues is if I'm walking around and I'm trying to see if I'm in focus, and then I wish it was just a little bit bigger. That's what she said. But other than that, size is crucial with this thing. Screen is small, almost too small, but of course, if we didn't have a screen, we would complain that without a screen, we can't see what we're shooting, right? Especially if we're doing one of these like vlog styles. So I'm glad that they incorporated a screen. I think that's a good use of the space. It tells you just enough, gives you just enough of a view so that you know how you are in the shot. Now, when you turn the camera on, you're going to press and hold the this button right here by the record button. So you're going to press and hold that. I'm going to show you guys real quick. There you go. You press and hold this. Watch. And then it does one of these things like this. It just spins around. And then, boom, it's recording. So I'm going to show you guys real quick what it looks like. I was actually in photo mode. Now I'm in video mode. Now I'm going to record. So I'm shooting 4K, 30 frames per second. I'm actually going to double tap the screen. Active track is now on. Now as I turn around the camera, look at that, look at that, look at that. You can't really see yet. Oops. So active track has been lost. Gimbal something something. So I guess depending on how you or how fast you move, you want to see if you try to move too quick, it'll say subject lost, and then it turns into one of these things. See this? I don't like this. So you want to go back, recenter it, and that's kind of something that you guys need to note. So I don't know if it's because I'm too close to it, maybe? And then it keeps losing subject. Anyways, definitely something to play with. And then it goes into the little kind of go away thing. And then you got this cute little carrying case. The carrying case is going to let you put it in like that. And then boom, boom, and there you have it. So, as you can see right there, as it tried to active track, if I move too fast, then it's going to lose subject and the gimbal's going to kind of get stuck. But, again, this video is just an early impressions hands-on. I've charged this from 0 to 100. It took like about an hour and a half on a standard. I was actually using my Pixel 3 XL charging brick. Took a little longer than what I thought or what I hoped for. Focus seems pretty good. Let's see. Smart features are cool. But yeah, I just wanted this video to kind of be just showing you how it is holding it, how it is trying to use it. You definitely need to get the hang of it. You definitely need to learn how to, what's the best way to hold this thing? How do you want to shoot your shot? And then kind of go from there. So let me know in the comment section below what you think. Stay tuned for the next video. in which I'll talk about my likes, and then like I said before that, it'll be the dislikes, or maybe the dislikes and the likes, I don't know, but there's going to be 2 videos and then a final review. And yeah, there you have it, guys. A quick video. Hopefully you enjoyed whatever this video was. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. I gotta go take my dog out to use the bathroom. Peace, salute, and adios.